Hi friends, welcome to the infoxist. So finally we have got an option from Instagram watch history. Now you can easily remove your watch history from Instagram. So without wasting the time, open your Instagram application and make sure you have an updated Instagram application. Tap on this profile icon here. After that, tap on these three lines here and tap on your activity. After that, scroll down and here you will find an option watch history. Tap on that. So here is your account's watch history. If you want to delete this, tap on select. You can select these videos from here which you want to remove from watch history. Tap on remove and done. So this is pretty simple. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.